To access the self-service hosting portal for their support, you will go to my.wpengine.com. We will create a user account for you under the WPEngine hosting platform, and you will receive an activation email similar to this. You'll need to go through the prompts to activate that account. And they'll take you through a short little account configuration process. So you just select some of these profile answers, business owner, and then you get started. And then you have access to your account. So once you're logged in, you will see your sites. You might see show one more here, which this is your production environment and this is your staging environment. There's two important things that you might need to do in this portal in the event that you need immediate troubleshooting assistance and it's after hours or we're not available for some reason. We try to always be available, but just in case you need some self-service options, this is how you would access them. So you'll see your sites. Here's your production environment. You want to click up in here to see your backups. You're going to go to click your top of the site name, and then within this portal, you'll see that you have backups. By default, WPEngine takes a daily backup, which is great because you can always rely on there being at least one. But before I do any major changes, I will create another backup. So I might say that I'm going to do a pre-plugin update. And this is how we would initiate a new backup. This is the email that the notification would go to if you want to receive an email when the backup is complete. So we would initiate that just as a safeguard for any changes that you want to make on the site. Similarly, let's say that something happened on the site and it crashed or caused an error that you would like to roll back to a previous day's version. You would just select whichever one of these you wanted and go over the three dots there and click restore. What you'll notice is that it's going to say restore to, and it's going to give you the options. Are you restoring it to your production or your staging? So generally we're going to want to restore to the production environment. So that's what you would choose. And you can restore with or without the database. We generally restore with the database, but it depends on what your needs are. So this is how you would go about it. I'm not going to do that right now because we don't need to. So that is creating a backup and restoring from a backup. That's kind of the quick, just a quick solution. If you find you need more help or don't want to attempt this on your own, their support is phenomenal. I've been very impressed with them over the years. You can initiate support here in this little chat thread. And the trick is they do give you little articles where you can learn more. But if you want to talk to an actual person who can fix the situation for you, you just type in support. And then you end up having to type it again because they say we do have articles that can help you. And then they're going to request your PIN. And you will find the PIN right over here in this corner. So this is your unique support PIN. You would enter that in over here. And then it's going to ask you for your URL. So this is where you would put in your website URL, and then you would start that conversation with them. And they can do everything from initiating a backup for you to troubleshooting a variety of issues. So it's a good self-service option should you need it.